Welcome! In this demonstration, we'll walk through how to complete an international transfer at the NCS ATM. Begin by tapping the screen once. Avoid double tapping, as that may cause the system to skip or reset. Next, select the option for card transactions. Hold your card at a slight angle when scanning to ensure the machine reads it correctly. Once your card is recognized, enter your personal identification number, then select Continue. You will now see the list of available services. From the main menu, select International Transfers. Next, select the service you wish to use: Western Union, MoneyGram, RIA Money Transfer, or BPI. Enter the recipient's details, including their full name, bank name, country, and account. Double-check all information before proceeding. Enter the amount you wish to send and confirm the currency. Review the exchange rate, transfer fees, and total amount. If everything looks correct, press Confirm. To avoid delays, please make sure all transfer details are entered correctly. Wait for the ATM to process your transaction. Once complete, you'll receive a printed or digital receipt with your transaction reference number. You've successfully completed an international transfer, fast, secure, and convenient.